Stone chips on a car can be really frustrating. They make your car look old and can even lead to rust if left untreated. Thankfully, here are some simple and effective ways to repair stone chips, making your car look smooth and new again. Before doing anything, it's important to clean the damaged area. Wash it with soap and water to remove dirt, grease, or dust. After washing, dry it properly with a clean microfiber cloth. This helps the repair materials stick better and gives a smooth finish. One of the easiest ways to fix small chips is with touch-up paint. You can find paint that matches your car's color code at any car dealership or online. Try to fill the chip completely without spreading it outside the damaged area. Let it dry for a few hours and then lightly buff it with a soft cloth. This method works best for minor chips that are not very deep. For the next method, clean the area with rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel. Take paint that matches your car and shake it well. Pour some paint onto the chip area and spread it with a squeegee. Make sure to fill the chip completely and apply paint all over the chip. Then, pour some blending solution onto a kitchen paper and apply it over the chip area in a back and forth motion. Be careful not to remove the paint from inside the chip. This will help remove the extra paint around the chip. Finally, clean the area with a towel, and this will fix stone chips easily. Another easy option is a paint pen. These pens work like a marker and allow precise application, especially for very small chips. Shake the pen well, apply a thin layer to the chip, and let it dry. You can add a second layer if needed. Paint pens are convenient for quick touch-ups without needing extra tools. After the paint has dried, apply a layer of car wax over the repaired area. This protects the new paint and helps it blend naturally with the surrounding surface. Wax also adds shine, making the repair almost invisible. Regular waxing keeps the area protected from UV rays and weather damage. It also helps maintain the overall look of your car, keeping it smooth and glossy. Once your car is chip-free, protect it by washing regularly, applying a good wax, and avoiding driving too close to gravel roads. Using a clear paint protection film can also help prevent future chips and scratches. This film acts as a barrier against stones, debris, and minor abrasions. It keeps your car looking new for longer and can make cleaning easier. With a little effort, you can repair your car like magic and keep it looking great for years to come.